Hey guys, this is our Cuber, and I'm here with my brother and my sister.
Hi.
Well, my brother's height, he'll come later. And today we're going to be reacting to Rubik's Cube memes. So I'm just going to go ahead and get the iPad started here. I didn't just skip this. Alright, so we're screen recording now.
Oh, look at that. What's that?
So I'm just going to look up our Cuber memes.
Cuber?
Yeah, because...
It's literally nothing.
No, it's actually, it is the thing. I thought it was.
Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Okay.
Eat it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rubik's.
You put on cologne.
Oh,
They can't
Rubik's Cube
smell
memes. Rubik's Cube memes. Okay.
I didn't.
Alright.
You put on cologne.
Oh! Hurry up!
Okay.
Is that under?
What are you doing?
Is that infinite?
It's infinite list.
Rubik's Cube memes. Cubing Maniac. This looks good.
Okay, do it.
Is it volume on?
I don't know.
Here's a list of 50 more things cubers hate. You can't find a good cross. Lockups on big cubes. Dropping your cube in the middle of a solve. Dropping your cube in the middle of an algorithm. Tutorials like this.
That breathing is
With
so
the
loud.
breathing.
Wow.
Losing a piece.
Neat.
That's silly.
Like
Following the scramble for big cubes.
2 hours later.
2 hours later.
Running out of lube.
Is that a ketchup box?
Internal pops. You left inspection on by accident.
Yeah. and then it doesn't actually time to solve.
When two things on this list happen in a single solve.
Wait, hold on.
What's inspection?
Okay, so inspection is like.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Has anybody been looking at the camera all the time? I think we've all been looking at the.
I did occasionally.
I sometimes just to see how good I look, but other than that, no.
Comments that can't spell cubing terms correctly.
Yeah, like art Rubik's with an X. Hold on. I can do one side of a Rubik's cube with an X. Okay.
Rubrics.
Rubrics, yeah, never completed my Rubik. I wish you could spell Rubik's cube.
Scratching off a sticker. Packages take forever to come. Your favorite cuber doesn't upload videos. Inserting a pair incorrectly.
Oh, I love how he did that. It was just like.
Inserting a pair in the wrong slot. Going to competitions knowing you won't win.
Oh, so sad.
Getting the AUF wrong. Getting sand into your cube. When a piece
I just want to say I actually don't know what AUF stands for, so if you guys know, put it
A
down in the
universal factor. Artificial.
Do you know how to spell?
AUF. Do you?
Universal factor.
Artificial universal factor.
What?
Factory.
What
What does that have to do with anything?
Anyways, what were we talking about?
Are we in the middle of the video yet now?
breaks. Missing an M move in an algorithm.
Yeah, and then you're just like in some random spot.
You want to make videos, but your camera is a potato.
That's actually me.
Literally has a potato for a camera.
Whoops, he dropped it.
You don't have a tripod.
Oh my.
Oh, I actually do have a tripod. I forgot to actually
Fixing
turn this on.
pieces after a pop.
What? The light?
I forgot to turn on the actual light.
That would be better.
Is this working? Oh, is that better? That's
I
good.
don't know.
That's
Let more white as
Baby
opposed
Yoda.
to the yellow.
not sponsored.
We have shadows.
Baby Yoda.
You're not even wearing your baby. Go get your Baby Yoda soda. Not kidding. Dude.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, let's just continue. I forget.
V cubes.
Oh,
You don't have a timer.
hold on. Story time. Can you give that?
This might be weird.
Okay, forget the story time. I'm just gonna.
You don't even have a stopwatch.
That's the.
Dropping your cube on a hard surface.
That doesn't actually happen though.
You never started the timer. Watching fake Rubik's Cube videos. Completely forgetting how to solve a puzzle. Autocorrect.
Yeah.
You threes.
What's that?
It's where.
Choking
hold
at the
on.
very last part of your solve.
I'm actually gonna get my cube so I can.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay. We're still recording?
Nope.
Stop the recording. Alright, so basically you moves is like you move it over once.
You
So
move
you-
it over. You move.
So you move it over like this.
Can I get a
So
drink?
U3 is when you go.
A drink.
Because there's 4 sides, if you move it 3 times, you can move it one in the opposite direction. So, look, if I move it 3 times, it's going to go right back and move it.
We lost him. I'll give you $10,000 if you can solve this. Before the video ends.
I can't.
I'll put it in another video, but I'll have my sister try to solve the cube, but I'll show her my tutorial and see if she can figure it out using my tutorial.
I can't.
Pay attention.
But
And finally, number 50. Pops.
okay.
Moving on to the next.
Subscribe to
video.
my channel.
Well,
Make
relax,
a new
we're not
channel.
done yet. We're not done yet.
Okay. My channel's better. I'm doing Marvel memes. Not this trash. So
You respect me, okay? Respect.
Respect.
Cool intros like that.
Oh, just YouTube how to do the intros.
So, it's up. Like basically, it's like when you're too good, you do something so fast you don't have time to do the next step.
yeah, all you have to do press. You didn't know
You're
that?
following a randomly generated scramble, doing random moves until it looks scrambled, which is what I do like all the time. Then disassembling the cube and putting it back together with your eyes closed. Well, I mean.
With the band.
Right, this way, so. Yes, there's like 4 G perms, that's why you guys don't get that one. It was super hard for me to learn that. Yeah,
Why is it illegal?
because he's not putting it in the stand correctly. Like, okay, now
You're
it's
supposed to
going
put the
away.
corner in this stand.
Yeah, you're supposed to put it like tilted.
Magnus. I just
I don't care. Yes, because you don't feel like doing it all over again. I might need it, yeah. Yeah. I actually heard about this, that there's like a fake Speedcube shop. So be careful, make sure it's not speedcubeshop.co.uk, make sure it's speedcubeshop.com. Or else you're never getting it. Yeah. You're just like, oh, now I have to redo it.
What?
Okay, because somebody got the world record. The world record is 3.47 seconds. the guy who held the world record before that was 4.22. Basically, what this is saying right here is that Felix Zemdegs, even though he doesn't have the world record, he's a lot more popular. A lot more people know who Felix Zemdegs is.
Oh,
So
that's
he's
so
just, like,
sad.
Because this guy is from like China, I think. So like nobody knows who this person is. They just know that
Wow,
he
it's
has.
so racist.
Poor guy.
So racist. Racist.
He's not even I'm not gonna
Those
say
are the
it.
GAN errors. That's good, and they're wrong. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. Oh, sorry. Is that me? Oh no.
Thank you for watching.
You're welcome. I'm glad that I actually enjoyed that. So we're actually going backwards between these. So this is part 2 now. Oh, hold on. It's too fast. Oh, what a nice cross. A look accidentally did F2 all pair. Yes, okay. Oh, new PB. And then... Oh yeah, that one's pretty annoying. I've actually seen this one, but it didn't have Cupid proof. I think it wasn't me. Yeah. I must destroy them.
Well,
Whoops, I just skipped. Oh.
Is that even
I don't get it, but it's probably funny. Or break it. No.
Shout out again.
Yes, no. Yes, blocked it all out.
ooh, that looks tough.
Yeah.
What?
Okay. So sometimes you're like at a competition.
Wait, we're going to-
Okay. I gotta do this properly.
I don't get it.
Okay, so when you're at a competition and someone takes your cube, because all cubes have to be like approved.
Okay.
So they put them all on the table, and sometimes somebody just takes your cube and starts playing around with it
Why?
because they're weird. I don't know. I've never been to competitions, so I don't know. But that happens, and then so like they just take your cube without asking permission. It's annoying.
So rude.
It's just a thing that happens. Yeah, it is.
Rude.
But exactly. So anyways, so then you take their cube, and then that's how Mafia wins. Like,
Mafia.
Just a
Be
meme.
quiet.
Me too, I'm gonna be like that though.
I am trying to like actually like plus 200. No. Why?
Why
No.
not?
No.
Why not?
Speed keep shop all over.
Oh no. No.
You're not a real.
It's not even solved.
The death MCs 1 to 5 with 13 choose them.
Oh, we'll share it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
We do it.
This is the end of our video.
Alright guys, that's the end of our video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.
I definitely didn't.
Hopefully when I edit this,
You do
this is
it,
going to
you
be
do
a
it.
lot shorter and also a lot funnier. Because editing
But
is
they
like
won't know
half
that
as-
it's shorter and funnier. Now you have to.
Redo
it.
Redo
You have to redo it.
something.
It's a lot shorter and funnier because now he edited
Redo
it.
it.
What's up guys? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's gonna be some bloopers at the end of the video of just like some funny stuff that happened. Hopefully you guys liked it. Like my video, subscribe, and all the other stuff that just subscribe. And also, I don't have any social media, but when I do, I'll come back and edit this.
He'll
and
put a link
right here.
Subscribe to my channel.
Yeah.
I actually haven't made it yet. It'll be a channel. It'll be called the Firebreaker 1099. Check that out.
Right there.
Firebreaker.
Probably doesn't exist.
Yeah,
seeing this, but it will
by
eventually. So just
by March it will be.
by
a
March
channel.
it will exist.
Check that
Have a great day. Okay.
out. Hey,
Peace.
you're Australian.
It's not working. It's not stopping.
It's not stopping.
I'm just gonna stop it.
Never
with mine.
gonna give you.